I welcome you to the practical image processing using OpenCV Python lecture series. And today our topic is how to blur an image with Gaussian blur. Okay, that means blurring an image with Gaussian blur. Before starting the lecture, I want you to ask a question which you have to answer through comment. What do you mean by blurring an image? Or what is the technical definition of blurring an image? Okay, so do comment it. So let's start the practical session. Gaussian blur. To make an image blurry, we need to use the Gaussian blur method of OpenCV. You need to focus on the syntax where G is capital for Gaussian with B is capital for blur, Gaussian blur method. Okay. And this Gaussian blur uses Gaussian kernel, where height and width of the kernel should be a positive and an odd number. Okay, you have to note it down. I am putting it in bold. So height and width of the kernel should be positive and odd number. Then you have to specify the x and y direction, that is sigma x and sigma y respectively. If only one is specified, then both are considered the same. These things you have to note down for Gaussian blur function. Clear? So going to the practical one. So, so the code will be this one. You can take a screenshot. Import CV2 because we are using OpenCV implementation in Python. Then image, you can take any image from your dataset. I am considering the Lina image. Okay, that is being stored in the image dataset of this folder. Then say name the blurred output as blur image, blur underscore image. Always note down that whenever you are giving a name, or I can say the identifier's name, the name should be like that. It will reflect what actually it means or what actually it is doing or representing to you. Okay, so that the outsiders can easily understand it. Like this one, I'm blurring the image, so I have given the name as blur underscore image is equal to cv2 dot Gaussian blur image, that is the input image. Then 77, I have already told you that what is the value that I have to give here. That is what it is, considering the height and width. Okay, and then the x and y direction. Okay, so that you have to give. Then that's all. It's because with this single functions we can change the image representation and make it blurred. Then just display the original image with this cv2 imso original image comma image, and then display the blurred image with blurred image dot blurred image. Okay, this name means that we have given to the blurred version. Now compare these two images. What I have said, compare these two images, the original one and the blurred one, and tell me through comment that what the changes you have seen in the output image after implementing this Gaussian blur function. Clear? Don't forget to comment it after going through the practical. I'll look at your comment. So now open your spider. So this is the spider. We are now right. We have written the code. So let's execute this. So nothing different. I have written as it is what I have shown you in my lecture. Just I have explained each line of this code. Okay. So execute this. They see. This is the blurred version and this is the original image. Original image, this one, and this is the blurred version. Now you tell me what is the difference you have seen. Okay, then only I will understand that you have really gone through the practical, and then only I can understand that you are really going to the subjective evaluation case. Means what is your point of view, or what is your analytical power regarding this image processing experiments. Okay, so go through the assignment just I have given to you. First, the technical definition of blur, and second, after committing this after conducting these experiments, what changes you have seen in the output image. Okay, so we'll meet in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.